How's it going, guys? So I got this Wi-Fi adapter a few days ago, and it's been amazing so far. This is an alpha Wi-Fi adapter. It's the AWUS 1900, and it's designed, I don't know if it was specifically for penetration testing, but it is the best adapter apparently on the market that you can get for pen testing. It was like 70 bucks. And I'm just kind of trying it out. It's pretty cool. So I've been trying to crack my own Wi-Fi, and I have it set up with my mining computer right now to see, so I can use Hashcat. And this is an old Linux Mint installation because I was having problems with Ubuntu and Kali installations on this for some reason. So whatever, I just found an old hard drive, except it's literally been, oh my gosh, it just finished updating. Wow. It's literally been over an hour that I've just been sitting here and it's been updating. Whew, well, gotta finish this video then so I can get back to it. But yeah, so I'm just really excited about it, and it's a lot of fun. I'm not sure why pen testing has just been such an interest to me. It's kind of just a hobby, I guess. Kind of like 3D printing. So yeah, once again, this is another video that doesn't have to do with 3D printing, so sorry about that, but just wanted to talk about that for a minute because this is what I've been spending my time doing today. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. And let me know in the comments if you like my hacking videos or if you really would prefer that I just kind of stick to 3D printing and stuff. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.